How y'all doing? I am Cavis from Recoil Small Engine. Today we are doing snow removal with a skid steer. It's a little bit of a different video, but I thought, hey, why not? I'll show you guys how to do it. I gotta widen the driveway a little bit and just fix up some things. Yesterday, which would have been Sunday, I went out Saturday and did some emergency plowing to get my family out. We're getting a break in this cold weather. I think it's +1 right now. So the videos will be rocking out pretty steady for the next long time. It was just hard to make videos in -45 or 40. There was 38, 30. You know, it was wicked cold. The longest cold snap in Alberta. Usually we get it a week. We've had it since middle of December, but we're out of it now. Hopefully we don't get any more wicked cold. I'll get my window cleaned up for y'all, and then I will get the camera stand set up and we'll get to plowing. Anyway, I do want to say at this point, if you're new here and you're watching up to this point, I'm going to be doing a giveaway when we hit 1,000 subscribers of a custom made Recoil Small Engine sweatshirt. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and say, throw a comment in the description box saying that you did so, and you'll be automatically entered into the giveaway. And when we hit 1,000 subscribers, we will do the giveaway announcement. Anyway, I'll get you guys into it. Alrighty, let's get going. This driveway out a wee bit wider. So that I can see too. Alrighty. I don't know what all this is. Ditch. A lot of people will curse at me for that, but do what you want. Hopefully you guys enjoy these videos as much as I love making them for you. I absolutely love making content. Couldn't be in a better spot to do it anyway. Get this all cleaned up. Got our rider, we just need to now clean it up. And I gotta go down by the cows there and get it all cleaned up. This is probably only going to be a 10-minute video, but nice hanging out with you guys. If you want to see more of these, let me know in the comments. I do have a nice auger coming out. Roller run. Stay tuned for that. And the cold snap is now broke, so we'll be able to get more content out. Starting of the 2022 year. I don't know why you guys are so blurry and moving fast. Get it all cleaned up here. Let me adjust you so you're not looking out nastiness. I'll zoom in a bit. There we go. Not very, there it goes. Righty. So we're going to clean up this end here where we rotated. Sorry if it's blurry in some spots. Try and slow down and we'll idle her down a bit here. See if this helps. There, that helps. Hopefully you guys want to see some of my bucket too. Now we gotta clean all this up. Made this extra wide, which, whatever, right? Wait until Dad moves the truck, then we can go around the loop and clean all that up. Yeah, this will be about a 10-minute video or so. All the crap we picked up off the road. Look at that sunset. Hang on a second. Look at that sunset. That's nice. In case you guys want to see again, let me lift you up here a bit. Alrighty, let's try that angle. Get her all prettied up. No, that's not working. I'll just idle her down here and we'll get this final piece adjusted. So you're sitting more flat. There, that's much better. And now you can kind of look straight ahead. Perfect. Window's a little dirty. Apologize. you know, you can still get out. It's not going to block you in, right? And that's kind of what you want when plowing. You guys can see in the bottom of your frame there, the snow just piling out, the bucket stuff. Get this cleaned up. This actually might be a little longer than 8 minutes, but hey, it is what it is. Just hanging out with y'all. Anyway, catch you guys next time. See you. Sorry about that. Camera stopped. Well, I stopped the camera. Okay, let's continue. We'll throw this pile off to the side here by this little tree that you see in front of us, and then we'll get her cleaned up, and that'll be the end of the video. We're already at almost 9 minutes, so... guys, dump this pile down over by the cows. It shouldn't build up enough that it spills over any of the edges, so that's nice. See my brother's car. I don't know what he's thinking he's doing, but anyway, whatever. We'll get this dumped and then we'll get on with life. Now this isn't raw footage, I'm editing this down, so when I say it's at 9 minutes, you know, for you guys it could be as short as 2 minutes, right? But that's how much I've been filming. I tried filming this the other day, but my window was so dirty I couldn't even see out of it, so I scrapped the footage. So I want quality, right? Not just quantity. I will say right now too, if you go to YouTube and you change your settings to 1080p full HD, I'm now in full HD, so you can watch some pretty high quality videos in full HD if you want. Just thought I would throw that in there. Anyway, get this dumped and I'll end the video. Okay, well, this is a good time to end her off. Thank you all for watching. Again, I'm going to be doing a giveaway on a Recoil small engine custom made sweater when we hit 1,000 subscribers. Stay tuned for that, and yeah, until next time, keep on wrenching.